Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to fix the WhatsApp verification code problem or WhatsApp OTP not arriving. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing here is the first thing that we need to check is to check that our WhatsApp is up to date. So it is to the latest version of it. So all we need to do is go into Play Store and then go ahead and search for WhatsApp right here. And then go into the app itself. And as you can see here, there is an update available. So go ahead and make sure that you have this as well. If it is up to date, then you shouldn't see update. Instead, you should be able to see open. Now, once that it is fully updated, you should see something like this. Now, don't forget to reset your phone and then try again. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is we need to delete our cache for our WhatsApp. So go into settings and then go all the way down until we see apps right here. And then let's go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Now, if the app is running in the background, go ahead and click force stop on the bottom right and then click OK. And then we are going to go into storage right here and then go ahead and clear data and click delete. Now go back until we can see permissions right here at the top. And as you can see, we have not allowed any permissions whatsoever. That's because we have cleared all of our cache. All we need to do now is to allow every single one of these or log back into your WhatsApp, and you should be able to allow the permissions right there. Before going back into the WhatsApp itself, don't forget to reset your phone and then try WhatsApp once again. And that should solve the problem for this. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.